In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this mesh by using Blender's Ocean modifier. The mesh is using a multi-layered material, but it's using a technique that was never introduced before. By utilizing the Ocean modifier's foam feature, we can trigger a unique setup that can create this multi-layered material. The final render can be produced by using cycles, but I'll use Eevee for now. The color is set to change based on the elevation factor. By the way, I'm using Blender's built-in HDRI. If you don't know how to use that, please watch a tutorial in the description below. The mesh is based on this plane. I added the Ocean modifier on that, and here are my settings. I activated the foam feature. The color elevation is still there, but we're not getting a multi-layered material if we disable the foam. How do we use the Ocean modifier's foam feature? Here are the full nodes. The material was separated by the XYZ factor to give the elevation look, and the foam is being triggered by an attribute node. The power node can be found under the math node. In order to fully use the foam feature, we must use a matching name that is listed on the attribute node. I'll show you what happens when I disable some of the nodes. We can create a lot of variations this way. Please remember to manually type the matching name to make this work. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.